Appalachian farmer, noted charmer, forgot the field. Mississippi moonshine, driving him wild, forgot to yield.
Marriage symbolizes the intimate sharing of two lives. So we are all here to give our recognition and celebrate the love that David and Jessica have for each other as they now accept each other totally and fully in marriage.
I got a lot of loving, I got a lot of loving, I got a lot of love in my heart. I'm gonna get to heaven, I'm gonna get to heaven, I'm gonna get to heaven alright. Fighting all night, you're making me cry in a cornfield. Across the nation, patient, and you pass the waiting with a warm meal. Tender soul, you see.
David, will you take Jessica, whose hands you now hold, choosing her alone to be your wedded wife? If so, say, I will.
I will.
And Jessica, will you take David, whose hands you now hold, choosing him alone to be your wedded husband? If so, say, I will.
I will.
Jessica and David, the hands that you now hold are the hands that in years to come will support you, caress you, comfort you, serve you, hold you. So God bless these hands as they prepare to give and receive the rings that David and Jessica are about to exchange. And know that these hands will continue to hold the blessings of this day.
Oh, are you running? Oh, are you running? Oh, are you running my life? Oh, are you running? Oh, are you running? Oh, are you
Jessica, I give this ring from my heart to your hand.
Jessica, I give this ring to your heart.
From my heart to your hand.
From my heart to your hand.
May it always be to us
May it always be to us
a symbol of our love.
a symbol of our love.
David, I give this ring
From my heart to your hand.
from my heart to your hand.
Let it always be to us
Let it always be to us
a symbol of our
a
love.
symbol of our love.
Forever could never be long enough for me. Feel like I've had long
Jessica, with all my love, I take you, the love of my life, my best friend,
Get the world now,
to be my wife.
let them see.
Today I give myself to you in marriage.
But there's one thing
I'll be yours in time of plenty and in times of want, in times of sickness and in times of health, in times of joy
and
in times of sorrow, in times of failure and in times of triumph. I promise to cherish and respect you, to care and protect you, to comfort and encourage you, and stay with you for all eternity.
If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say you will.
You are irreplaceable in my life. As we look into the future, I want you to know that whatever we may go through, good times or bad times, we will go through those times together. I promise to cherish you and honor you all of the days of my life. especially when eating a gourmet dinner of macaroni and cheese. You are my best friend, and I'll always love you.
Love has finally showed her my way. Marry me today and every day. Marry me. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say you will. Promise me.
May beauty surround you both in the journey ahead and through all the years. May God bless you and keep you, and may happiness be your companion and your days together be good and long upon the earth. So inasmuch as you, David, and you, Jessica, have consented together in the celebration of matrimony and have witnessed to this bond before God, your chosen witnesses, your families and friends present, and have pledged your faith and love to each other by the authority vested in me by the state of California and Centers for Spiritual Living, I now pronounce you husband and wife, and you may kiss each other. So, dearly loved family and friends, may I be the first to introduce you to Mr. and Mrs. David and Jessica Fitz.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight.
I just want to say that, I love my sister and my other sister and my brother. We have a lot of memories together, and what's so best is that we're so close, all of us, all four of us, and I'm always there for her, and I know she's always there for me. And I just want to say that I love you.
And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes and the wonder.
Today, we're here to celebrate Dave and Jessica, and as they embark on a journey that lasts a lifetime together and in love. And congratulations, you guys. And please join me and toast to the newlyweds.
It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling,